Mesa Verde is one of the most incredible ancient sites I've ever visited. But if you're traveling with dogs, this park has some rules that you probably won't like too much. Stick around until the end and I'll show you why Mesa Verde is technically dog friendly, but barely. You won't see any dogs, let alone my dog here, and there's a reason for that. As we go, I'll explain what's allowed, what's not, and how to plan a visit safely if you have dogs. That's including for pets. Even the short paths leading to these ruins don't allow dogs. Even in this footage showing the weather station area up high, showing gorgeous views, no ancient pueblo in sight, you will not see my dog because he had to stay in the truck except for a quick parking lot break. The rules here are not arbitrary. The level of preservation, it shapes everything about visiting Mesa Verde with your dog.